Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Boys and girls, this week we're working with phonograms. Phonograms are a series of letters that represent one or more sounds. The vowel sound changes in a phonogram. Our first word is mall. All. All. I want you to underline the phonogram all. We're then going to write mall in a crayon. All. Underline the phonogram all. And then write in marker. All. Mall. A-L-L is the phonogram all. Our next word is the word troll. T-R-O-L. Troll. T-R-O-L. O-L-L says ol. Phonogram ol. All right, troll again in crayon. T-R-O-L. Please remember to underline the phonogram. Marker. T-R-O-L. Underlining that phonogram is very important during today's lesson. Our next word is chalk. Ch-alk. Ch-alk. A-L-K is for the phonogram alk. Crayon. Ch-alk. Underline the phonogram. Then with marker. Ch-alk. Our next word is the word tall. T-all. A-L-L is for the phonogram all. T-all. Marker. T-all. Our fifth word is the word scroll. S-k-r-o-l. Scroll. S-k-r-o-l. Underline the phonogram ol. Write scroll in crayon. S-k-r-o-l. And again in marker. S-k-r-o-l. Our next word is the word walk. W-alk. Walk. Crayon. W-alk. Underline the phonogram alk. And marker. W-alk. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. Our next word is small. All. All. And with marker. All. please remember to underline the phonogram every time. Our next word is toll. T-ol. Phonogram toll. Now with crayon, T-ol. O-L-L says ol. And marker, T-ol. A toll is a fee that you have to pay when you are using certain roads in the United States. Our next word is talk. T-alk. A-L-K says awk. T-awk. Marker, T-awk. Talk. And our last word is wall. W-all. With crayon, W-all. And with marker, W-all. Please remember to underline those phonograms. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, boys and girls, we're working with R controlled vowels. We are working with AR. That says R, like a pirate. And OR. OR says or. So we will be coloring our AR, R words yellow. And we'll be coloring our OR, or words orange. Now Mrs. Nimitz doesn't have an orange, so she's going to use red. Let's read the directions together. Color the words by the color code. Box up each word using the AR, R, or OR, or controlled vowels. You can see our word bank down here at the bottom. We have our first word is fork. Fork. Our next word, storm. Storm. Then we have yarn. Yarn. R. Then we have barn. Barn. Our next word is cord. Cord. At the bottom, cork. Cork. A cork is something that like plugs a bottle. Then we have horn. Horn. Orn. Torn. R. And our last two words are harp and jar. All right, my friends, so we can see here our first picture is a picture of a horn. Horn. And I like to put a little check mark once I've used it. I can see my OR, or, and we can just quickly color the picture. It doesn't need to be perfect. Our next picture over is yarn. Yarn. And AR says R, like a pirate. So we're going to color the yarn yellow for R. Then I like to put a check mark once I've used that word to keep organized. The arrow is pointing to a cork. Cork. can see the OR is there, so I'm going to color it. I'm going to use red, but you should be using orange. OR says or. All right, then I see a picture of a storm. Or storm. Put a check mark in my word bank next to storm. Then we're also going to color our R control vowel. OR says or. And we're going to color our storm orange. Oh, and I forgot to color our last picture orange cork. So I'm going to go back and do that. Our next picture is a picture of a jar. R. And I can hear that AR control vowel like a pirate. Jar. And you'll want to put a check mark next to jar to help yourself stay organized. My next picture is a beautiful instrument called a harp. R. P. Harp. AR says R. I'm going to color that yellow. AR says R like a pirate. And I'm going to put a check mark next to harp to help myself stay organized. Our next picture is a picture of a chord. Or D. Chord. I see the OR controlled vowel. OR says or. So we'll color that orange. Remember, I don't have an orange, so I'm using red. Put a check mark next to chord. All right, my friends, I'm going to let you finish the rest on your own. We have a picture of a car, orn, torn. See how the picture is torn? We have a fork, ork, and a barn, barn. When you're done with that, please make sure your name's on your paper, turn in the top basket, and move into Lexia. Way to go.